Hi everyone, this is Dr. R. Alarmelimungai, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Applications, Dr. SNS Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science, Coimbatore. So, in continuation with the series, in this video, we are going to discuss about jQuery. So, what do you mean by a jQuery? So, jQuery is a lightweight, write less and do more JavaScript library. So using this jQuery, we can reduce the lines of code. The purpose of jQuery is to make it much easier to use JavaScript on your website. And jQuery takes a lot of common tasks that require many lines of JavaScript code to accomplish and wraps them into methods that you can call with a single line of code. And jQuery also simplifies a lot of complicated things from JavaScript, Ajax calls, and DOM manipulation. And next is jQuery library. The jQuery library contains the following features. So you all know what is a library. Okay. So it has HTML DOM manipulation, CSS manipulation, HTML event methods, effects and animations, Ajax, and utilities. Next is adding jQuery to your web page. So how will you add the jQuery to your web page? So in two forms you can do. The first one, you can download the jQuery library from jQuery.com and you can use it. And the next way is you can include jQuery from a CDN like Google. Next one is the syntax for jQuery. jQuery syntax. So the jQuery syntax is a tailor-made for selecting HTML elements and performing some action on the elements. So you all know what are all the HTML elements. You have many elements under HTML. That is all the tags you will call it as element like paragraph, heading, all those things. So what is the basic syntax for this jQuery is you have got a dollar symbol followed by the selector dot action of. So what is the selector? The element on which you are going to perform the action, that is the selector. So now this dollar sign is to define or access the jQuery, and a selector to the query or to find HTML elements, and a jQuery action of is to be performed on that particular element or elements. So this is the syntax for your jQuery, that is dollar followed by selector dot action of. So this dollar is nothing but it defines the jQuery, whereas the selector is the element on which the action has to be performed, and action is the function which gives you what is the action to be performed. Then next is they have given some of the examples here. So the first example you have here is dollar followed by this you all know that particular element, current element. Okay, dot hide off. So this hide off function is used to hide the current element. So now you have got here dollar followed by p dot hide off, where p is the paragraph element. So what you have to do here is you have to hide the paragraph element. Okay, so now you have the example here, dollar followed by document dot readyOf function. So inside that function what you have is you have got a button which is an element, dot, here the button element is nothing but the selector, dot click function of. So you are performing the click event. So when you are performing the click event, what should happen? This p element should get hide. So dollar p dot hide off. So this paragraph element should get hide. So here you have got this coding and we are running this coding. What we will get? This is a heading and this is a paragraph and this is another paragraph. Click me to hide this paragraph. So this button, this is the button. Click me to hide the paragraph is the button. So when you click this, what you will get? The second image is your output. So all your paragraph elements got hide over here. So you have got only this is the heading. So in a single line, you made this paragraph element not visible. Okay, so this is the use of the jQuery. Then in jQuery you can also do the animations, and the jQuery animate method is used to create custom animations. And here you have dollar followed by button dot click function of dollar division element dot animate left 250 pixel. So here in this example you have got a box. This box, this is nothing but you will call it as division element, div element. Okay, so in the animation this is in the left position, and by clicking the start animation it has to move to the other side. So what happens here in this example, this green button is on your green box is on your left side, and when you click the start animation it goes for the right hand side. Okay, so this is a thing for your jQuery animation, and this is your assessment part where you have to study this jQuery with an example, and this is the reference part. Okay, thank you.